Alright guys, see the 15th question of exercise 5.3. A contractor on a construction job specifies some completion beyond follows. 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 200 and 250 and so on like that. He is increasing. 300 for the third day also is given 300 like that. And how much day money contractor gets work by 30 days. So total amount, how much he get if he delays the work by 30 days, if he keeps on increasing like that. So clearly A is 200, D will be 50, S 30, N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That's it. So 30 by 2, take 50 common. Then 8 plus 29. So it becomes 25. It becomes 750 into 37. Just multiply. It is 27750. Okay. See, in this question, some amount of 700 is to be distributed to all the 7 students, and each price is exceeding the previous price by 20 rupees, like that. Okay. So difference is 20. Let us apply the formula. N is 7. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 700. 7 gets cancelled. Take 2 common here. 2 by 2. 8 plus 6 into 10, 60. 100. So A is equal to 40. So the first price is 40. What will be the second increase? 20. 60. What will be the next one? 80. Next one? 100. Next one? 120. Next? 140. If you add all this, you should get 700. Let us see. One more. 160. 300. 420. 520. 600. 700. Okay. See, in this question in a school, first class students are planting 1 tree. Second class students are planting 2 trees. Third class children are planting 3. Like that, 12th, it is going to happen till 12th class students, like that. But each class has 3 sections, so I take into 3. So you are asked to find out how many trees will be planted. So let us multiply with 3. 3, 6, 9, so on, 36. So you have the first term, last term, and also common difference. So A is 3, D is 3. Let us find out N is also 12, because we know there are 12 sections. So you need to find out Sn. N by 2 of the first plus last. N is 12. 6 into 39. 234 plants. Okay. See, in the 18th question, if you see the figure, a spiral. You know spiral binding, a spiral is made. It is made like a semicircle, successive semicircles, but the radius will be keep on increasing. Next will be more than this, and next will be more than this, next will be more than this. Like that, the radius will be keep on increasing. First R1 is 0.5, that means 1 by 2. Next R2 is 1 centimeter. Next R3 is 1.5 centimeter. Like that, it is gone increasing. Now, what is the total length of the spiral taken in 13 consecutive? Yes, 13. They are asking. But what is A here? The length of the spiral, no? When you are asked to take the length of the spiral, this whole thing is the length. When you take this as the length, this is the circumference of the semicircle. What is the circumference of the semicircle? Pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of semicircle is pi r1. So first length of the semicircle is pi r1, pi by 2. Second one, pi r2, a2. That means pi into 1. What is d difference? a2 minus a1, pi minus pi by 2. This is also pi by 2. You have a value, you have d value. You are asked to find out S30. N by 2, 2a. Plus N minus 1 into D. So it becomes 6. 13 by 2 into 7 pi, 6 pi plus pi. So 91 by 2 into pi, you can take 22 by 7, 11, 13. So the total length will be 143 centimeters. Okay. See, in the 19th question, if you see the figure in the next, you can understand. Some logs are placed. In the first row, the 20 logs, the next 19, next 18. But total are 200. So the question is, in how many rows? How many rows means how many terms? How many number of terms? The logs, 200 logs are placed. You have to find out the value of n. Just n. So a is 20, d is minus 1, and Sn is 200. You have to find out n. Okay. See, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200. This 2 cross multiply this. So n into 40 minus n plus 1. 200 into 2, 400. So it becomes 41n minus n square is 400. Bring these terms to the side, n square minus 41n plus 400. Factors for 400 to become 41. 25 into 16. So n square minus 25 minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. N into n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 0. N minus 25 into n minus 16 equals 0. N equal to 25 or 16. So you can take the number of blocks as 25 or 16. But we have to check. We have to check whether it is exceeding whether it is exceeding 200 or not. See, when n equal to 25, if there are 25 rows, I tell you. So let us check with that means there are 25 rows and 16 rows. Let us check how many will be there in A25. This is the first row, this is the second row, third row. So like in 25th row, how many will be there? Third row will be 18, no? So A plus 24D. A is 20 plus 24 into minus 1. 20 minus 4, 24. It is negative. So it cannot be negative because it is the number of logs that are placed. So you can't take A25. So n equal to 16 is the right answer. Okay. Here this something question where the distance he travels. See, first he travels distance 5 units and comes back. So he travels 10 units distance. Second time, to bring the second potato, he should travel 8 distance and should come back at 8 distance, right? So 16 meters, is it meters or centimeters? Meters. Next third one, he has to travel 11 and 11, 22 meters. Like that, how much distance he travels for 10 to bring 10 potatoes. That means you have to find out S10. So clearly A is 10, D equal to 6. So S10 will be formula 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So it becomes 5. 54 plus 20, 74. 370. So he traveled 370 meters. Okay, that's enough for the exercise.